If you're still doing keyword research like it's 2020, you're basically invisible to AI search right now. Here's why. Hey guys, and welcome to Vlad's Insights, where each day I share one valuable insight from my vast collection of 400 plus videos. The old way of keyword research is dead. While everyone's still hunting for best CRM software with 10,000 monthly searches, Google's AI is literally ignoring that outdated approach. Here are the 3 new keyword research techniques that are crushing it in 2025. Number 1. Prompt research, not keyword research. People aren't typing dog training anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, what's the best way to stop my 6-month-old golden retriever from chewing my furniture? Here's the hack. Go to ChatGPT, type, how do I, and let it autocomplete. Those suggestions? That's what people are actually searching for now. Do this for Perplexity, Google AI, and Bing Chat. Each platform shows different conversation patterns. Number 2. Answer engine hijacking. Forget ranking number 1 on Google. Now you need to be the answer that AI gives people. The secret: 70% of AI queries are people asking how and what questions. Find these question-based searches and create content that directly answers them in the first 2 sentences. Tools like Otterly.ai show you which brands AI is mentioning. If you're not there, you're invisible. Number 3. Entity clustering. This sounds fancy, but it's simple. Instead of targeting iPhone 15, you target everything connected to iPhone 15. Apple, smartphones, iOS, camera quality, battery life. Google's brain now has 800 billion facts connected together. It doesn't see isolated keywords. It sees how everything relates to everything else. Your move: build content around topic clusters, not single keywords. Here's your action plan. Stop using traditional keyword tools. They're measuring yesterday's search behavior. Start conversations with AI tools. See what questions they suggest. Create answer-first content. Put the direct answer in your first paragraph. Think in topics, not keywords. Cover everything related to your main subject. The brands winning in 2025 aren't optimizing for search engines anymore. They're optimizing for AI engines. Ready to dominate AI search before your competitors catch on? Check out my Words at Scale School community, where I share all of my personal SEO ranking secrets and copywriting workflows that are crushing it in this new AI-first world.